presents the new look in fun motorcycling, the Yamaha YSR. But even if the only sporting around you do is getting to school on time, you'll be glad to know the YSR incorporates all the style and grace found in Yamaha's legendary super sport bikes at a fraction of the cost. The Yamaha YSR, 50 cc's of fun for the whole family at a great price. Go down to your local Yamaha dealer, pick one up while they last. But please, leave some for the other kids on the block. Yamaha, we make the difference.
Alright, we're just gonna go get mommy a coffee. We're just gonna chill, take it slow. Obviously, like, the water is nothing to be scared of. Yeah. Unless you're on race tires.
Yeah.
But we aren't on that. You got road tires, so.
Water hit my neck.
Yeah, for sure. That's the life of a biker, man. If you're out and about riding and you get caught in the elements, you know what I mean? It just is what it is.
Oh, you want me to leave? Yeah. What is it? I can't hear the bike, so I'm so used to hearing it.
Yeah, you can't hear it, but yeah, so this is something you're gonna have to get used to. You can't hear it, obviously, because you have headphones in. In the wet, only thing you want to look out for is just like painted lines and manhole covers. So everything else is very consistent with how it feels, except for that shit. Yeah, close to a holiday, plus it's raining. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you what I did. Gotta warm, come on. Gotta warm the tires.
I've never seen you do a rolling burnout besides in videos, like a while ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, never.
Yeah, you know, I'm too old to do stunts. I raised it since the last time. We're showing the vlog this ride now, but you can go ahead and go to the right. But obviously I raised it since you rode it. We rode it the day we got it, and it was in these same type of conditions. So, you know, yeah. So it feels good though.
Yeah, I like it. I like the ride height. I like how the way the pegs feel.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
It's all good. You just got to deal with the feel. Just feel it. Yeah, don't give too much. Just feel it as you come out. Yeah, it's I forgot. Yeah, it's a different element not being able to hear the bike. Woo! But it's a cool little bike. I dig it. Like, me and Jay, we look like monsters on that motherfucker. Like, it's pretty funny because it's exactly your size. Okay, you want me to lead? I got you. Oh, you wanted to... Hold up, cuz! You can't run the fade like that without fully letting me know. You wanted me to lead. I'm chilling.
You're chilling.
That was funny. So yeah, we'll exit out up here to the left. Your visor fogging up from your hot breath yet? crack it just a little bit, just at the bottom. There you go. Oh, you do got a clock on your dash. Hey, hold on. What time is it? It's really time. Well, it was really time, but too much. Alright, yeah, I was about to say, be careful coming to intersections. Now, when we go into places like this, cars drop oil, there's gas on the ground, so everything is super slippery in the rain. So just, you know, when you make your movements, you'll see any discoloration, any rainbows on the ground. That's oil. Yeah, the manholes, you want to avoid things like that. So, you know, you got to remember, as we come up in here, you don't have a kickstand. That bike is super maneuverable, so you just go the same place I'm going, and then I want you to back it up.
Like, you ain't able to hear my, like, where I'm at. So weird.
I don't know. She might not like that. She might not like that kind.
That's likely not.
I think I'll just get a Red Bull.
Yeah, I was gonna say a Red Bull maybe.
Oh, they got these back?
What? All the
Sparkling waters?
Oh, these. I thought you was looking at the beer.
Oh, look at that. Ain't no beer here.
I didn't even see that.
Rocky? Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Alright. You're good. Go ahead. Cruise out. Left. Left. Pause for the clouds. Remember, painted lines and shit like that. Feel the clutch where it's at, because remember, that's a new bike for you. So you're comfortable with the R6, but just get comfortable where that bike is.
On the R6, I'm so used to it being like right here. And
Yeah. I'm gonna do a new clutch and everything and adjust it, but for right now, just get used to how it is. That shit's hilarious. All right, go ahead. Oh, go ahead. Don't panic. Don't panic. You got it.
No,
Shut up,
just
ho.
the fact that it happened.
Yeah. You know, you're good. You're good, buddy. I'm all right. And remember, things happen, but it ain't gonna happen at this speed. I've got 20 years in on this shit. If I fall doing this kind of shit. Oh, no, beef, relax. You got you in the mud. Let it roll back. Oh, no, put your feet in it. Okay, wait a second. How do you get there? Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. I don't know how you got there, man. Wait, put it in neutral. Okay. He done rolled in the mud and got. Yes. Is it on?
Yes, sir.
No, you stalled it. Here, come on. Oh, it's about to get filthy. Let me close real quick. No. I'm gonna clean the wheels off in this.
The only cool kind of clean part. On the sides, it's still muddy. Okay, it's in the tread.
Yeah. Like it went in the mud. Oh, super puddle. Now my feet are wet, but whatever.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm looking like these puddles are like real semi-deep.
Whee!
I know that bike's supposed to really say wee. Yeah, majority, yeah, most of this is off.
Most of it's off?
No, all of it's off.
All of it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Get the stand.